Hey guys, and welcome to another video. And today I solved a bit of a mystery that I've been having with my notorious 2020 Corolla, and that sometimes I'd find some splashing noises coming from somewhere. I thought I was just hearing things, but it turned out to be localized to the doors. Now if you look at the bottom of my door, there are 3 rubber tabs, and when I actually pulled on one of them, just yank it out like so, I kid you not, a stream of water was gushing right out. It was like draining a bathtub, basically. It turns out all the water that collects on your window, when it rains, it collects in a pool inside your actual doors. Now it begs the question, why are they there to begin with? Did the dealer forget to take them out? Or is it by design? Because it's just logical to have them out. And I really can't believe Toyota would make us unplug these every time there's water inside. It's just unbelievable. I don't know if this pertains just to Toyota, but if you find these plugs, just remove them. You don't want to have water just sitting in there. So guys, comment below if it helps. Like this video by hitting that like button, or consider subscribing to my humble YouTube channel. Alright, cheers guys.